Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane and I hope you're all okay. So let's get to it. Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing, unbagging, whichever. It was sent to me by a company. I can't remember the name off the top of my head because I'm in my studio and I can't run back into the house at the minute. But it was paint. They do diamond paintings and craft things and what are they called? Cross stitch and things like that. They asked if I wanted to do a video for them. They didn't say anything on what I've got to do or anything or how many videos or whatnot. But I will leave a description of everything down below and tell you the name of the company as well. I'll put it on the screen just here. But they sent me two items. So the first one is, I'm really excited about this one. Excuse all the noise. I seen this and fell in love with it straight away. So basically, once it's made, it will make a pyramid like this, but it's a lid. I think it's supposed to be an ashtray, but I don't smoke, and I don't think you should use resin for ashtrays anyway. But I could use, if I knew anyone who wanted one as an ashtray, I could use it as an ashtray with, say, Jesmonite or any of the other eco pour resins and things. But what I like about this is you get the base, which is all of that with all the pretty what do they call them, hieroglyphic kind of things around. But usually with a lid you end up with just the pyramid like this, which is great in itself, but it's a big chunk of resin. This actually came with this, which fits over the top like so, and then you'll end up with less resin used because this is all basically pushing the resin out. So that'll be like a hollow lid, more hollow lid rather, sorry. But what I was thinking was, instead of just using it as an ashtray, I could put one of the little, oh, what are they called? I can't think now. The battery operated tea lights. Pop it in there and then put the lid on. I think that'll look really pretty if it glows. Obviously I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll find out together. So that's that one, which really excited to try that, but that'll have to be in the new year because I'm trying to do Christmas things at the moment. And then the other thing they sent me is this pack of Christmas candle holders. There's a little reindeer, a little chunky Santa, a diddy little snowman. Oh, he's so adorable. Look at his little smiley face. A cute little smiley face. And then, all these bags are so noisy. Right, and then a bell. So I'm going to give these a go today. And as they're candle holders, I'm going to use EcoPour. And hopefully they'll be a lot more safe than resin. Obviously you don't want to be using resin with actual live candles because melting and burning and just not good. But I suppose you could use them as little vases or little pen holders or things like that as well, which would kind of be cute. But today we're going to use them as what they're supposed to be, candle holders, and I'm just going to work out what we're going to do, how we're going to colour them and everything. So I'll be back shortly and we'll get this video cracking. Thanks for watching. Bye.